Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ang pagpapatuloy sa kwento ni Celine. Now, do you deserve to stay on your position? Tanong ni Mr. Cirilo kay Marie. Napayuko si Marie, hiyang-hiya siya sa nangyari. Hinawakan ni Celine ang kamay ni Marie. Nagsalita muli si Mr. Cirilo. If you believe that you still deserve to stay on your position, then go. Continue what you're doing. If not, find the best one that suits to you. We will not terminate you, but giving you another chance to continue your service, sabi ni Mr. Cirilo. Tumayo si Celine at nagsabi, Mr. President, may I recommend Miss Marie as my executive secretary. I saw her capabilities as an effective and efficient secretary. I'm still learning, isn't it? She started to train me until the day I can stand alone to think and decide critically. I consider her instructions as part of my training. I believe that she still possesses the characteristics you have mentioned. May I ask your approval for my request? Tumingin si Mr. Cirilo kay Madam A. Miss A, please call Attorney Lucas. We need an advice from the expert regarding this matter. Celine, please do understand that we have an SOP to follow, both company and government policies for a just and humane procedures. But please submit a request letter subject for approval. And Marie, think about it. I'll give you 7 calendar days to decide which one, an administrative officer or an executive secretary, itutuloy. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na to, pasuyo naman ako pa-react, comment, at wala akong ibibigay na stars pero sagot ko ang kwento. Maraming salamat po. Bye!